Hello, welcome to all. Even though English is a foreign language, it is very essential for our day to day life. If we want to speak well in English, then we have to create a habit of reading and listening the foreign language. Most of the students complain that they are not able to write well in English because of the grammatical issues. Grammar is something like mathematics. If we have a sound base in grammar, then we can write in a better way. So this is an attempt from my part to help my dear students in English grammar. So dear students, welcome to today's session. As we all knew, a sentence is the largest unit of any language. Today, we are going to deal with sentence. What is a sentence? The sentence is generally defined as a word or a group of words that expresses a thorough idea by giving a statement, order, or asking a question or in an easy way, we can say that a group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. These are the points to remember about a sentence. A sentence always begins with a capital letter. It makes complete sense. It ends with a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. Now we will deal with the kinds of sentences. How many kinds of sentences we have? That is, we have to deal with. There are 4 kinds of sentences. First one is a statement or an assertive or declarative sentence. Second is interrogative. Third one is imperative. And fourth one is exclamatory sentences. A statement, an assertive sentence or a declarative sentence simply expresses an opinion, feeling, or makes a statement or describes things. In other words, it declares something. This type of sentences always ends with a full stop. A statement says or states something. These are the 2 examples. I like watermelons. I love to paint pictures. These are statements. Next one is interrogative. An interrogative sentence asks a question. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a note of interrogation, that is, a question mark. These are the 2 examples for interrogative sentences. When are you going to submit your assignment? Do you know him? Third one is imperative. We use an imperative sentence to make a request or to give a command or an advice. Examples are switch off the fan, please come to me. Imperative sentences usually begins with a verb. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. And the fourth one is exclamatory sentences. An exclamatory sentence expresses overflow of emotions. These emotions can be of happiness, wonder, sorrow, anger, etc. Usually it ends with an exclamation mark. This is an example for exclamatory sentence. What a day it was. It begins with a capital letter and ends with an exclamation mark. Now let us revise once more. There are 4 kinds of sentences. First one is a statement. Second one is an imperative. Imperative, that is, makes request, advice or order. Next one is interrogative. Interrogative asks a question. And the fourth one is exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences express a sudden feeling or emotion. Thanks to all. We will meet in the next class. Bye.